right, first thing we're gonna wanna do is go over to flashcustomtransfers.com. First thing you're gonna see is God Bless America. And we have our graphic designer service right as soon as you get to our website, just so you guys know that we are now offering this. We took it away for a little bit, but it is needed. It is very much needed, so we're here to help. First thing you're gonna wanna do is, if you see at the top tabs, head over to Flash Graphics. Here we go. So this is, I would say, kind of like our menu list where we can kind of see what we offer and prices and things like that. So let's go down our services, vectors. Vectoring an image brings the image to the highest resolution, no matter how big you make the image or how small you make the image. It will make it at the highest quality for printing. So if you send us a screenshot, we can vector that and make it high resolution. If you send us just low resolution images, very pixelated, we will bring those to the highest resolution. We want you guys to have perfect transfer so you can really experience that top quality and that durability that we have. So vectors are now on the roster. Next, we have background removal. That's kind of self-explanatory. If you need anything with background remove, if it has a white background, black background, anything like that, we can remove that for you. With things that have backgrounds, the resolution might be low. So if you send us a high quality image that just needs a background removal, fantastic. We can do that easy. If you send us a low quality image with the background, we will definitely recommend to vector that image, because if we take out the background, it's still gonna be low resolution. So those are all things that we can talk about in the email when we're reviewing your image. Next service we provide is resolution check. But here is the key word: complete gang sheets only. If you do not want to risk printing your images as is, printing your gang sheet as is, we do offer resolution check. With their new ordering process, as you all know, you are responsible for your resolution. We've come across that a lot of people don't want to take that risk and want us to check the resolution, but as you know, it could get bottlenecked with so many people wanting resolution check. Now we're offering a service, we can check it. The only discretion is no single images allowed. So we will not check 20 different images, the resolution. You have to send us a completed gang sheet. Logo creation, the design process of crafting a unique, impactful visual symbol that represents a brand or entity. Any logo creation. If you just opened up a new food truck and you want a logo created, we can help you with that. We just ask that you have as much information as possible and kind of have that visualization that you really want versus saying, I don't know what I want, make something up for me. We need details so we can execute it exactly how you need it. Embroidery effect. So the embroidery effect is a digital download effect. As you know, we do have some of those examples on our social media. It just takes an image, turns it to embroidery effect. If you're familiar with embroidery, it is a stitching that you use a special machine and things like that to put it on your clothing, sewed in, very technical. But with DTF, it's just an effect and you're able to cut and press it on any apparel. Oh, and that also works for UV-DTF. Actually, all of these services work for UV-DTF since DTF and UV-DTF have the same requirements. So with the embroidery effect, it would really just depend on the complexity and things like that. Let's go into that when we go to our price list. Skills, we got the skills, graphic design and Illustrator. We need to have all these skills to provide all these services. So that just kind of shows our skills there. And to head over to our price list. So for our vectors, we kind of kept the prices the same from previous Flash graphics, starting at $15 per image, depending on the complexity of the vector, which means if you send me an image that just has words on it, Flash graphics in black, or let's just say you sent me this Flash graphics, that could be a $15 image because it's just black. It's not too complex to vector this image. If you send me a image that has, fading and gradients and a million pieces to this image, that is the complexity that we're speaking of. And you will get a free quote. Hey, this image is $15 to vector, or, this image is $25 to vector. This image is, we really just depended on the complexity, and you will be able to make that decision before purchasing. Background removal is $10 per image. Again, that is at your discretion. We will be able to let you know, hey, we can remove the background, but it's still a low resolution image. So again, little consultation there with that. Resolution check, we are charging $10 per gang sheet, per complete gang sheet. Again, it must be a complete gang sheet. We will not be accepting single images to check resolution. Logo creation, starting at $99 depending on complexity, and you only get 2 revisions, which means if you ask us, hey Chelly, can you create an image of a dolphin on top of a remote? Okay, fantastic, we can create that. And then we send you back a dolphin on a remote. You only get 2 edits to that image, 2 revisions, 2 edits only. And it, like I said, it depends on the complexity. So if you say, hey, Chelly, I need a dolphin on top of a piano, with a cruise ship behind them, with Batman in the back, or with this, all of these random things, that will definitely alter the price and complexity. And with that, you also get 2 revisions. Again, you will get a free quote before purchasing, so you don't sign up for anything that you weren't aware of. We always make sure everyone is on the same page. And for the embroidery effect, starting at $60 for one color and $5 any additional colors. So if we have, we have this, hold on, let me see. We have this highlighter. Let's say it doesn't have any, I guess if we have this highlighter, this would be $65 because we have the yellow, which is one color, and then we have the black, which is another color. So this is a 2-color image. So that would be $65. Let me see. I'm trying to find something else that has more colors. Okay, so something like this. Here's that remote I was talking about. So this remote has quite a bit of colors. So we have a green color. So let's say that's our 60. Then we have black, another 65, 70, 75, 80, 85. So this would be $85. So 60 for one color and $5 for any additional colors. But we're able to convert this into the embroidery effect. It's kind of difficult when you have to do real life images. So we can give you a quote for that, but we don't recommend real life images. We did a dog. He turned out pretty cute, but we had to break it down to 3 colors because it's a real life image. So just stay aware on that and the complexities and things. You can always count the colors yourself so you have an idea. But again, we will get you that free quote for there and before any purchase. So that is the services. Let's see here. To submit, you would submit all your graphics to Flash Graphics at flashcustomtransfers.com. Easy enough. When you're ordering, you go to order now at flashcustomtransfers.com. But for Flash Graphics, and this is where you would find that email. You can just copy and paste here. Copy and paste your email here, and just you can put in the subject line what you're looking, vectors, background removal, whatever the case you may need. We will always help direct you into the right place, or just understanding. I know a lot of people are still very new and still learning. If you notice, we do not have set up your gang sheet, so we will not be setting up gang sheet as of now. That may change in the future, but right now this is the only services that Flash Graphics is offering. Excuse me. I wanted to take you to digital downloads real quick, something that is also new on our website. We have digital downloads for sale. These are our originals, which do really, really well. Football, basketball. We now have, all these basketballs, nice. And then let's click in here. So you have access to all of these images and more, 150 images and more. Same with Halloween. We have our new Halloween, so you're able to see these cool new digital downloads, and you can create your own gang sheets with these. You can create your own UV DTF gang sheets, any type of flyers, pretty much anything. These are high resolution. This is another one. So there's pack 1, pack 2, and then this is all 86 images in one pack for $15, which isn't too shabby. Let's see, so you have access to all of these guys. We have a teacher digital download. You have access to all of these teachers digital downloads. These are very popular. Santa's favorite teacher. This was our #1 seller last year. You guys went crazy over that. Let's see what else we got. And Selena. Anything for Selena's. We love Selena in this house. So of course I had to do a digital download pack for her as well. And you have access to all of these images. Let's see what else we have. Okay, and that is our digital downloads. I just want to show you our pre-made gang sheets as well. In case you aren't aware, we do have pre-made gang sheets, and this is our newest pre-made gang sheet here from the Bama Brawl. This is just a little bit, here it goes. This is a pre-made gang sheet, so it comes with all of these small ones, big ones, and oops, here we go, DTF versus UV DTF. So a 22 by 24 gang sheet for DTF and a 22 by 12 gang sheet. You can make amazing clothing here, black shirt, just to let everybody know what's up. Love it. My husband did an amazing job with that. Thank you, babe. And then we have the UV DTF here. And again, this is for hard surfaces. So if you're at work, you can be like, yup, just to let everybody know. Put it on the car, let everybody know. Kind of like a bat signal. Here we go. And those are $35 as well. And every order qualifies for free next day print. If you need expedited shipping, let me show you where that is. So everything is standard shipping, but if you're needing expedited shipping, it would go right here. All the way at the bottom, you would select what size you want, and expedited, you can either get 2 air or next day air. You would just add that. You can see 60 and then you just add that, it'll add that 50. Let's see what else we got on this website. Pre-made gang sheets. Oh yeah, we already went through our pre-made gang sheet. So we have Halloween and teacher, and then we have UV DTF pre-made gang sheet. Our new ordering process, if you might not know, you would purchase online and you would submit your gang sheet completed with your order number in the subject line, and it must be, 300 DPI, PNG, CMYK. Every order qualifies for next day print, and again, everything is shipping, expedited, everything is standard shipping, expedited shipping available. Very important, we only offer UPS shipping. So if you have a PO box, UPS does not go to PO boxes. So please be sure to provide a non-PO box address. Let me see, art requirements. This is also where we have all of our art requirements, since you're now responsible for submitting your own gang sheet. So take a look at those. That's pretty much at the beginning of our ordering process right here. So when you have some time, just take a look around our website. We have cool things. We got free stock images. These are all free images for instant download. You can just hit download, boom, you instantly get it. Boom. You just hit download, instantly get it, boom. All of these are for free, so you can create your own gang sheets. These are all high resolution. Look at that, Christmas, download, boom, they're right there for free, guys. All of these, you really don't get better than that. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and end the video here. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you guys have any questions, feel free to contact us or comment down below. Subscribe and share this video, and we will see you next time. Bye.